Dragons are really amazing creatures. Within the 7 distinct classes, you can find every size, type, and breed of dragon. The mischievous, monstrous nightmare is one of the dragons of the Stoker class. Its sweeping wingspan reaches 68 feet with a length of 61 feet. They ordinarily weigh 5,000 pounds or 40 sheep. Their fire consists of a kerosene gel, which can be used as a fuel. With the bad temper and short on patience, Snotlout's dragon Hookfang would rather ignite first and think second, just like his rider. If cornered, the monstrous nightmare will coat itself with fire from nose to tail. One of the smallest known dragons, the Terrible Terror, is part of the Stoker class. Their 6-foot wingspan and 6-foot length make them tiny in the dragon world. Weighing just 20 pounds, they weigh less than a sheep's leg does. They pack a surprisingly large flame from such a little body if you upset them. These dragons feed and roam in packs, not unlike pigeons. When the Terrible Terrors gather in large groups, they often break into song. These chirps, squawks, and croaks have kept many of the Viking awake throughout the night and into the morning. Polygrons are the most recent addition to the Stoker class. The average wingspan is 63 feet, and they regularly are 55 feet in length. Polygrons normally weigh 4,500 pounds or 36 sheep. It's believed that the fin on their heads can sense subtle shifts in temperature, barometric pressure, and the emotional states of nearby dragons or humans, making them one of the most sensitive dragons. Polygrons are considered lucky dragons, in that they can predict certain things, both good and bad, a split second before they actually happen, and their skin changes color depending on their mood.